Hi, I'm Jade. I've been in my role at Canolfan Riviere working for Conwy Council now for just over 18 months. I believe to be an apprentice within the care sector you need to be very dedicated both to your studies and to your work, as it can be quite difficult to juggle both, especially with a young family. But if you have the dedication and the passion for the job, it's a fantastic way to build a career. I think it's a really good opportunity to earn money and then you're still getting a good education as well. I would recommend an apprenticeship in care as it's a good way of gaining qualifications whilst also gaining vital experience in the work setting. I feel like I'm fully supported by Conwy Council and I feel like I can progress within my work environment. I feel like my career is developing very well. I've gained lots of confidence in the last 18 months. In the next 5 years, hopefully I will be a level 3 support worker. I see myself taking part in lots of training. I'd really like to study autism more and maybe go on to courses and things to look at that more in depth.